Identifying a suitable therapist can be an overwhelming task, the main reasons being the professionals present themselves using different names. Mental health services can be offered by family counselors, psychiatrists, psychologists, licensed professional counselors, and marriage therapists, among others. You have to know exactly what you need in order to choose the finest professional who could help you to improve your inner self. In case you need counseling, Denver Co. is home to many dependable therapists. Putting enough effort into research would be worthwhile. The professional you hire must be compassionate, patient, and non-judgmental. He or she has to provide you with that relaxed feel in order for you to open up and let out information about intimate aspects that could be affecting you. There is great importance in working with someone who gives you a comfortable and secure feeling. The credentials of a specialist are not the only aspect that would need consideration. You would find more sense in working with someone who has a pleasant personality and principles. He or she should be compassionate enough to understand the reasons that cause your concerns are fair and effective. Counseling session should make you see sense in guidance offered. In this respect, it is wise to consider the personality of a counselor as well as the values of the professional. A good therapist will not give you the impression that you are in a courtroom. Instead, the specialist will help you to unburden yourself of aspects that could ruin your well-being. He or she will act as your friend and ensure that you understand the basis of their opinions. By confirming with professional associations that register therapists, you may be able to identify an expert you could trust. The boards monitor the practices of their members and ensure that they act competently and ethically. In this respect, they know who the finest specialists are. If you opt to seek the opinions of your close friends, avoid talking to those who may not support you or may act intrusively. When meeting a therapist for the first time, do not hesitate to ask the hard questions. Find out when they began practicing, the credentials they have as well as the cases they have dealt with in the past. Ideally, you need the assistance of someone who has worked on matters like yours successfully. In case you will not be using your medical insurance coverage, ask about the fees of sessions. Individuals who could use their medical insurance policies to pay for therapy sessions could consult their insurers. The companies have a list of service providers who they have evaluated and confirmed that they have what it takes to offer great services. In other words, your insurer can assist you to find not only reliable specialists, but also to identify those who have sound credentials and remarkable records of accomplishment. During research for the best professionals in counseling, Denver Co. dwellers ought to use the internet. A decent number of established and well-reputed therapists will advertise the work they do online. They will also share professional advice regarding the cases they handle. Do your research well in order to make a sensible choice.